Effortlessly create soft, perfectly kneaded dough in minutes with this powerful kitchen essential. Designed for convenience, it takes the hassle out of mixing and kneading, delivering smooth, elastic results every time. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric dough makers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Baking just got easier with the Joydeem electric dough maker, a smart and efficient solution for home bakers. Designed with a microcomputer-controlled system, this machine allows for time presetting and intelligent program selection. It simulates natural kneading by alternating between turning and stopping, ensuring a perfectly chewy dough while saving you time and effort. With a generous 6.6 quart capacity, this dough maker is perfect for large families or batch baking. Its powerful 250-watt motor can handle dough for bread, pizza, buns, or dumplings with ease. Once you select a program, it completes kneading in just 15 minutes and fully kneads and proofs dough in 45 minutes, alerting you when it's ready. Its space-saving vertical design includes a face-up touch panel for easy operation. The weighted body and suction cup base keep it stable and minimize noise, making it a quiet yet powerful kitchen companion. Cleanup is effortless with its stainless steel bucket and mixing blade, both dishwasher safe. Effortless dough preparation meets precision with the Sunvivi electric dough maker, a must-have for home bakers seeking consistency and convenience. Designed with a built-in weighing function, it supports weights from 2.2 pounds to 11 pounds, ensuring accurate ingredient measurements and uniform results every time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this multifunctional appliance saves both time and space. With a generous 5.2 quart capacity, this dough maker easily handles large batches for bread, pizza, buns, and dumplings. The built-in ferment function, adjustable kneading time, and countdown settings allow dough to be ready in just 15 minutes. Perfect for busy kitchens, it delivers efficiency without compromising quality. Cleaning is simple thanks to the stainless steel inner liner and sleek glass panel. The removable top cover and kneading blade make it easy to add ingredients and ensure thorough cleanup. Spend less time washing up and more time enjoying freshly baked creations. Upgrade your kitchen with the YuChanluck electric dough maker, a powerful and stylish solution for effortless dough preparation. Designed with both performance and convenience in mind, this mixer features a sleek, easy-to-clean design that keeps your workspace tidy while delivering professional results. With a generous 7-quart capacity, it can handle large batches of dough, making it perfect for family meals, pizza nights, or baking multiple loaves at once. The constant temperature fermentation function ensures optimal yeast activation, giving you perfectly proofed airy dough every time. A top small window allows for easy ingredient additions without stopping the mixer, so you can adjust water, seasoning, or other elements on the fly. This thoughtful feature saves time while ensuring precision in every recipe. Built for durability, the YC007L features a powerful motor and high-quality construction, ensuring reliable performance through frequent use. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a home cook looking for efficiency, this dough mixer is designed to enhance your kitchen experience. Kneading dough by hand can be time-consuming, but the Bare electric dough maker simplifies the process with its compact yet powerful design. Featuring a 3.7 quart capacity, it handles dry flour weights from 7 to 38 ounces effortlessly. Powered by a 120-watt motor and equipped with a 3-dimensional stainless steel mixing blade, it expands the kneading area for smooth, elastic dough, ideal for pizza, bread, roti, dumplings, and sourdough. User-friendly controls make operation effortless. Just add water and flour, select your preferred function, mix, ferment, or both, and let the machine do the work. The default mixing time is 15 minutes, adjustable up to 40 minutes, while fermentation lasts 90 minutes by default but can extend up to 120 minutes. Crafted from food-safe 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is durable, easy to clean, and designed for quiet operation. Baking at home just got easier with the Aiziyo electric dough maker, a powerful kitchen tool designed for effortless dough preparation. Featuring a spacious 7.3-quart bowl, it can handle up to 4.4 pounds of flour, making it ideal for large batches of bread, pizza, dumplings, and pastries. Simulating traditional hand-kneading techniques, this machine delivers professional quality dough with minimal effort. Its smart program selection, powered by a microcomputer, allows for precise control over kneading and fermentation. With a time preset function, you can customize the process to fit your recipe, seamlessly switching between mixing, kneading, and rising. The built-in fermentation function maintains optimal temperatures for consistent dough rising, perfect for sourdough and artisan bread. Designed for convenience, the user-friendly control panel features a digital display and one-touch operation. Crafted with a durable 304 stainless steel bowl and kneading blade, the machine is resistant to corrosion and easy to clean. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.